So today we are going to dissolve Holly's filler. There are a few places on her face in overfilled, especially her under eye area, the cheeks and her upper lips. We want to restore her natural anatomy first, and then a few weeks later we'll plan to refill these areas. I think Holly has a really good bone structure to start with, but there's a slight disconnection between her upper face and lower face. We're taking a holistic approach to really harmonize all the features and the structure for Holly's face, and so she can appear more approachable, which is more matching her personality and her energy, I think.
So I'm having the treatment because I've been overfilled in certain areas, and it's made a migrated lip, it's made lumps under my cheeks, and it's just very mismatched. I feel like it makes me look a lot older than I actually am, and it has affected my confidence. So when I smile, it shows the lumps under my cheeks quite prominently. It's really affected my confidence in photographs, and also when I meet people, I tend not to smile as much as I used to.
So after dissolving, you will see the swelling quite instantly. Yeah, so you will see the filler goes away very quickly and then becomes really puffy. So that just the hyaluronic acid becomes fluid. And then when you press on the skin, you see the indentation, that kind of puffiness and swelling.
Right.
That will reduce in the next couple of days' time. You can use cold packs. You can even use the sort of lymphatic drainage massage to help the fluid to drain away.
He's looked at the whole face and put a package together that is bespoke for me and will get the results that I want. It's been amazing, just talking me step by step through the process. Just very reassuring. The results that we're going to get are going to look natural and it's going to not look overdone.
I'm really pleased with the dissolving result. We have removed all the puffiness, all the excessive filler from Holly's mid-face, removed the puffiness of under eye area and the lumps in her lips, as well as the migrated filler in her upper lip. Now we can see Holly's natural anatomy, so we can actually start the journey of restoring and enhancing Holly's beauty. So we start with the temple fillers,
Right.
and then coming down a little bit cheeks and a little bit, tiny bit thinness in the lateral part. During that, we'll numb your lips anyway.
I just feel so much better in myself, so much more confident, just little things like not hiding my face behind a pair of glasses constantly and sort of looking directly into a camera when I'm having my photo taken. And it's just so natural what he's done, and it's just absolutely amazing. Everybody has said to me, "Oh, you look amazing! Like, what, you look fantastic." So, what he's done to my lips, I think, is absolutely incredible. He's completely reshaped them without them looking sort of overdone or overblown. They look just so natural and beautiful, which is something I've not had for years. And it's just given me, made my confidence skyrocket, and I can't thank him enough. I'm just so happy that I chose the Cosmetic Skin Clinic. It's just an amazing choice, and I will never go anywhere else. This is it for me now. It's the different level. I don't think I realised until I had this done just how shoddy other places are compared to how just professional and amazing it can be.